So, what is good, everybody? This is Prince of Leather with another video here today. So, I'm basically going to be talking about Forex Factory. Forex Factory is where we can be able to predict the market basically. So, we need to do there are two types of like analysis in trading, and one is called fundamental and technical. So, the fundamental analysis is always talking about the news prediction. So you're basically going to talk about how huge or how fast the candlesticks are going to be during the market of that news when it comes out, basically. So, and technical analysis is where you do like all the plotting and the charting of like placing the trade, doing all the stuff, doing the lines, stuff like that, setting up your order block, setting up your fair value gaps and stuff like that, basically. So you will learn more of that later on. Yeah. So let's move on to now we need to learn how to look for Forex Factory, and I'm going to show you how to do it right now. So you're basically going to come on your web browser, your search engine, whatever. I don't know. You may be using Mozilla Fox, Google Chrome, Safari for the Apple users, but I'm using Google Chrome. So you come here, look for Forex. See, as you see, I already have it on my stuff. Forexfactory.com. Wow, this is taking a while. So exactly. So it brings you here to this place, but it's because I already have a Forex Factory as like as my history. So it literally took me to where I was before. So we're gonna come here, like in case it doesn't take you to this place. So you're gonna come here, news. See, this is where you can see all the news of the story 3 hours ago. You can see it's 3 hours ago, 2 hours ago, 1 hour ago, stuff like that. So you can basically look into it and just tell at what particular time in the price market is going to be affected by this news. Do you get what I'm saying? So that's why you see right there. Then trades. This is where people post signals basically of like the particular currency pair that they're trading, or what they're going to predict that the price action is going to be. So you can see someone is selling XAUUSD at this price action, at this price point here, 4 minutes ago, open shorts. So you can see somebody selling another one again, USD JPY, because today is like a sell market, because I literally just took a trade and it was a sell trade on XAUUSD. Although I didn't see this news, it's basically just like a quick trade I took. So see, Euro USD sell, stuff like that. So I don't know if you want to see what people are literally trading. You get what I'm saying? For those that are like fundamental traders, they can usually use this to do it, or people that like just started. But I advise you, 100%, I advise you not to do this. Yeah, you have to learn it by yourself. You have to do it by your own self. Do you get what I'm saying? Because the only indicator you need are your eyes, basically. So if you use your eyes to see the market, to see where the market is going to, you're good. Then maybe you can now start using indicators if you want to. Basically, it's on your choice. So then we move to markets. Here is basically news again. Do you get what I'm saying? It's still news. It's still like the same news that is here. Now the important one we have. Okay, wait. Before we go to that one, let's check the brokers. Now, wow, this is beautiful. Now this is where, because I was saying in the last video that yeah, different and multiple types of brokers. So this is where you can literally, because I remember me trying to find a broker that day, so I was just searching everywhere and I was using Forex Factory to find it, but I didn't use it to find my own broker right now. You get what I'm saying? But still, because of Forex Factory, I knew like most of these brokers like Owanda, FP Markets, what else? FXCM, FXTM, Iron FX, yeah. Xness is like basically for like um that I don't know of yet. They are for Nigerians. Like most of my Nigerian friends use Xness. IC Markets. IC Markets is also good for like Americans, Canadians and stuff like that. So you can basically tap here on the brokers to search the type of broker you want. Um, it's going to tell you the spreads. The spread is like basically commissions that the market receives from you. You get what I'm saying? So these are the spreads. So of each brokers, you get what I'm saying? They show you the spreads of the brokers market under a currency pair. So now for GPB USD, that is the British pound. Sorry, the Great Britain pound against the American dollar. Their spread is $3. You get what I'm saying? It's $3. Yeah. So that's basically the commission they're gonna get, the broker they're gonna get from it. So yeah. So now the important one we need is the markets. Sorry, was it? Yeah, the calendar. My bad. Bam. This is where you need to focus. This is where you need to focus and put all your attention to. So I'm going to be explaining this thing in a very short way. So you're just going to listen from me. So when you're done with this video, you can like browse on YouTube and just check out how people are also using Forex Factory's calendar to trade, basically. So I'm a mixture of fundamental analysis and um the trading analysis, the technical analysis. Yeah. So here we go. The green folders now. The green folders are basically, because in life we have like the easy in a game. Yeah, in a game you have the easy mode, medium mode, and hard mode. You know what I'm saying? So just look at the yellow folders here. You see low impact. You know what I'm saying? They're like the medium mode basically, or probably even the low mode. Yeah, they're the low mode. Then this is the orange one. This, yeah, exactly. So the orange folder is the medium impact. You know what I'm saying? The yellow folder is a low impact, as you can see written there. Then the red folder is the high impact. This is where price is going to move in the most unpredictable way, basically. So you need to just check out them. You need to check them out. So this is where you can open, like, let's see, like now for President Trump speaks. Trump is going to speak February 11, Tuesday. I think we're already past that. February 11 Tuesday at what time? 3:40 p.m. You get what I'm saying? So you can use this to check the time the news is going to come in and going to probably affect the market. And you can see how the market is moving, then take it off from there. So you can open the folder by pressing the folder here. You see, description: due to hold a press conference about his latest executive orders at the White House in Washington D.C. What's the source? The White House. So where's the news coming from? Is the White House. Who's the speaker? U.S. President Donald Trump. Next release February 12, 2025. So yeah. So now let's look at Powell. Powell is I've forgotten what position is that. It's like a financial position of America. He's like, I don't even know how to explain this to you basically. So yeah, he's at the Federal Reserve's position of America. Like he deals with the finances of America, stuff like that. So what is this description of this news? Due to testify about semi-annual monetary policy reports before the Senate Banking Committee in Washington D.C. What is the source? Where is the news coming from? It's coming from the Federal Reserves. Who is the speaker? Of course, it's going to be Jerome Powell. Usual effect: more hawkish than expected is good for currency, basically. So the next release February 12th. Yeah. So that's how it should be. So now, what's the next thing is for you to apply a filter. Like you don't really need all these currency pairs. You get what I'm saying? Basically, if you really want to like learn how to become disciplined in trading, you just have to trade like 3 or 2 pairs, basically. At least 3 or 2 pairs, basically. Constant ones. It's not like you just be going up or down from a new pair to a new pair that you've never traded before. You've never seen how the market is. You've never seen how the market structure goes up and down, stuff like that. you need to stick to two or three or one. One is even good. Two, three, or one currency pairs. So now this is how you do it. Me, I only trade JPB USD, JPB JPY, XAU USD. What else? What else? Euro USD. Yeah, and that is all. That is all I trade, basically. So, so you're just gonna come here, this funnel here, to like apply the filter. So tap it. Exactly. So you see all this. Now, the one thing I didn't explain, out of all these folders, is the gray folder. The gray folder is only a symbol to show that that bank or that currency pair has a bank holiday. For example, if you look down here at the JPY currency pair, you can see that it has a gray folder. And what can you see here? Bank holiday. Here, bank holiday. So the gray folder is basically to show that there's a bank holiday for that. Yellow folder was what? Low impact news. Orange folder is what? Medium impact news. And red folder is what? High impact news. So now let's continue with the filter. So you pick the type of folders you want to see. So I picked the red, medium, yellow, and the gray ones, because trading on a news day is not advisable, because it's going to be weird. Consolidation is going to happen. Consolidation is when price is not moving at a ceiling to floor movement, like it's not moving up and down, it's not having that liquidity, it's not having that trend, it's just in the middle. You get what I'm saying? Let me try and show you an example of what consolidation is. So we'll go to trading view here. So when you go to trading view, you're waiting for this stuff to load. Yeah. So consolidation is not a friend, basically, of traders. We really don't like consolidations. So bank holidays are basically going to like have consolidations in their pairs. You get what I'm saying? Because if you don't have that up and down movement, your fluctuation of price and your money that you're in the trade in is going to be very slow. You get what I'm saying? So when it's slow, it takes time. Before you know it, the market is closed and your money is going to be on a hold till the next day or the next week. It depends on if you're trading on Friday and you're still in a trade and the market is closed. It's going to be hold on, like the price point and where you are at is going to hold till the next week. That is Sunday at 5 p.m. You get what I'm saying? Sunday at 5 p.m. And it's not going to continue from where the price is. It's going to like fluctuate. It's going to either be very low or high. Basically, I won't say very high because I barely see the ones that have a very high price point after the market is closed. So let's check GBP USD. So you can see, press full chart. So yeah, trading view is where you're going to see the charts movements. Don't be confused by my chart colors. Like I just like putting it that way because I like black and white. So because I know that normally you will see that that this is always green and red and stuff like that. It doesn't matter. You can literally change it if you want. So consolidation. I'm trying to give you an example of what consolidation looks like. Here, something like this. You see, the usual one is always up, down, but you can see it's just on a stagnant movements. It's not really showing anything. You see here, it's just there, just up and down, up and down, up and down. So your money is going to be so freaking slow and low. You get what I'm saying? I don't know right now. So it's just going to be very low, basically. So if you trade on a bank holiday, most times it's going to have a consolidation price movement. So yeah, so let's go back. So what event types do you want to have? So you press the growth, you press the inflation, employment rate. Like they literally just show you news on like the countries particular news points. You know what I'm saying? Like the central bank's news, the employment rate, like what's the employment rate, information we need, housing rates, consumer surveys, business surveys, speeches exactly for Jerome Powell, because I know you've probably seen the trend. When someone says good afternoon, the price goes up and down, it goes crazy. So these are the speeches you need to see Jerome Powell in particular for FOMCs. So bonds, central bank, employment, inflation, growth. Just click all of them. Just click all of them. And here, default view. If you want to see the ones of today, you can click it, and it's literally just going to show in this navigation here. Well, if you want to see the ones for the week, as you can see, it's showing me on this green line here. See, from Sunday to Saturday. So, mine is this week. So I clicked here for this week to see the full news of the week. You get what I'm saying? So, yeah. And now we move on to currencies. Currencies. What currency pair or what currency I'm trying to remember the what currency bases or quotes do you need? You get what I'm saying? So AUD, that's Australian dollar. I don't need that because I don't have any currency pair that has AUD in it. CAD, I do trade USD CAD. You get what I'm saying? Not frequently. Sometimes I even trade. I just used to look at it. So CAD, and also CAD too. Canadian dollar it might affect the US dollar too in a way. It's confusing. So I just picked CAD. CHF, that's Switzerland money. CNY, I just forgot what it was. Euro, that is Euro. You get what I'm saying? Like Euro. GBP GBP, that is Great Britain pound. JPY, Japanese yen. NSD, that's New Zealand dollar. Yeah. Then USD, United States dollar, basically. I picked this JPY, JPB, EUR, and CAD. And I'll show you an example. For currency pairs that I'm trading, like now, the JPB USD, you can see it has the pound and the dollar. So if I'm trading currencies like that, I need to pick the pound and the dollar. You get what I'm saying? So you have to pick one to see the type of news you want to be looking at. You get what I'm saying? If you pick the pound and the dollar, you're just going to be looking at only USD and JPB. You get what I'm saying? So you just to filter the movement. So when you're done with everything, you just press apply filter. And now if you move on to the navigation here, you can click the date you want. Like now today is Friday. I want to see the news that's going to happen on Monday. So I click Monday. It's gonna wait. So see, look, bank holiday. You get what I'm saying? And I can see this. This is going to be a calm, slow movement, basically. So you can click Tuesday to see the ones on Tuesday. Crazy amount of unpredictable news here. So Wednesday, CPI, FOM meetings. These are the speeches that are very important. FOMC. So yeah, and that is really all you need to know about forexfactory.com. I don't think I need to put the link in the description because at the beginning I initially just said forexfactory.com. Like that's all you need to do. Just search for it and you find it. You get what I'm saying? So here it looks like this. So yeah, you don't really need to create an account. It depends on you basically. So that's what it's gonna be. So I really thank you guys for watching this YouTube video, and have a great day.